Customizing your Mac's desktop and found icon files in the system resources. These contain the sharp vector and raster icon graphics that give macOS its polished look. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and here's how to view and edit these icon resource files. Quick setup recommendation: download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your ICON file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. ICON files are icon resource files used in macOS and macOS Classic, containing image data for application folder and document icons. They store multiple resolution versions of an icon, from small 16:16 thumbnails to high-resolution 1024x1024 Retina display versions within a single container file. ICON files are icon resource files used in macOS and macOS Classic, containing image data for application folder and document icons. They store multiple resolution versions of an icon, from small 16x16 thumbnails to high-resolution 1024x1024 Retina display versions within a single container file. The proper file association links ICON directly to the Apple macOS Finder solution by Apple Inc. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows restricts access since changes can create boot or runtime issues. Begin the search for the specific application handler. Right-click the ICON file and choose Open With. Use Apple macOS Finder first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is essential. If the ICON file won't open, don't panic. The error you're seeing is standard for an ICON file lacking the right context. Quickly review these key details with me before we move on to the fix. First, Preview on macOS. Select the icon file in Finder and press the spacebar to activate Quick Look, which displays the icon at its highest available resolution. For more detail, open the file in Preview, which shows all embedded image sizes. Right-click any file and select Get Info to view its assigned icon. Next, edit with icon editors. Open the icon file in a dedicated icon editor such as Icon Slate or Image2Icon on macOS. These tools display all resolution variants and allow editing, replacement, or creation of new icon sets. Export to ICNS format for use in macOS application bundles or system customization. Finally, convert to standard image. Open the icon file in Preview on macOS and use File, then Export to save it as PNG TIFF or JPEG format. For batch conversion or cross-platform use, install the ICNS2PNG command line utility via Homebrew to extract individual PNG images from the icon container at each embedded resolution. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.